Hi, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to another on-the-road video with ApplianceVideo.com.
Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water.
Okay, what we're working on today is a Whirlpool dishwasher. What the problem was is that it's not cleaning well, so we're going to replace the control board. Tools needed for the repair is a slotted screwdriver and a T15 Torx bit. Okay, we're going to remove all the T15 Torx screws. I'm going to pull the front panel off. This will give us access to the board. Okay, we're going to remove the connectors. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take a screwdriver. There's a little clip. You're going to pop that clips and then move the board to the side. Okay, then we're going to put the board in place, slide it over until it locks in. Now we're going to put the front panel back on. Here we'll put all the screws back in. Okay, and that will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.